In this video, I'm going to be teaching you one of the simplest strategies that has helped me in this market, bagging in profit day in, day out. And one of the good things about this strategy is you can start executing it today, even as a beginner, and you start seeing progress. So sit back, I'm going to guide you through this step-by-step process on how to start bagging profit from this market. So sit back, relax, and if you are just coming in, help the algorithm by clicking the like button and subscribe. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. Alright, these are the 5 things you need for this strategy to be very effective, especially on VIX 25 synthetic indices, to be specific. 1, you need a directional bias. 2, you need a break of a trend line. Then you need a retracement down into a certain level of imbalance. Then you can now execute. First of all, let me come strictly through. You need a basic knowledge of market structure. The basic knowledge of market structure. Then you haven't understand this. If you don't understand it, please I'll put in a video as time goes on how to read the market, especially from a top-down analysis perspective. How to navigate from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. That will be my next video. If it's what you want, please say hezzy. Please drop the next video on market structure. So without wasting time, let's see. All what you need is a break of structure from a higher time frame, then a retracement back into the higher time frame. Once the market break out of this trend line, look for a certain level where you find imbalance around it. Please, if you don't understand what imbalance is all about, drop in the comment section. I don't understand what you mean by imbalance. Look for a certain level where imbalance exists, then execute the trade from there, targeting the what? The liquidity that rests below this zone. It's as simple as that. But first of all, directional bias, to be very specific, on daily time frame. Then you scale down to the lower time frame, 15 minutes to be very specific, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, or an hourly time frame. Then all what you need is a break of a trend line in the direction of the overall trend from the daily time frame. Then look for imbalance. Some people call it a fair value gap or whatsoever. Look for where imbalance reside, then execute from that zone. All right, something like this. Once there's a break of a trend line, there reside imbalance within this zone, and you see another block and all that. Execute from that zone with your stop loss above the structure, and you target down to this low. Now let me come strictly raw. This strategy will give you 1, 2, 3 minimum risk to reward, which means you need to be 30-40% correct at a time to make maximum profit from the market. All right, all what you need: directional bias on a daily time frame, a break of a trend line on a lower time frame, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, or an hourly time frame, then a retracement of the break to an imbalance zone. Then you can now execute a trade. All right, so let's go to see examples, few examples from the charts, because last trade I've taken, the last 2-3 trades I've taken, and how it played out well. Simple strategy. But before then, understand something with synthetic indices. They seek to gravitate from one level of structural liquidity toward another, and above every structural high, there lies the liquidity, and below every structural low there lies a liquidity. Understand this simple concept. So once you have your daily time frame mapped out in this zone, understand more often than not, synthetic seeks to sweep the liquidity resting below here, then take out this high. How do you now approach this market? Haven't understand this. First of all, a break of a structure. Simple market, basic market structure. Once there's a break of structure, continue following the trend. Don't assume it will return back. Continue following the trend as long as the trend keeps going up. That is synthetic indices. You must have to. If you break this law, you find it difficult to find consistency with this strategy. All right. And once it starts retracing back, continue following it until you're wrong. Okay. So without wasting time, let's get into the example and see how it is. First of all, you need a directional bias from the higher time frame, preferably the daily time frame. Take it for example, let me start from this zone. All right, now what can you see here? This is really a downtrend on the daily time frame. All what I need on the lower time frame is to scale down. This is the daily time frame. The directional bias for me right now is what? Downtrend. I'm not looking for buys. All right, all what I need is an uptrend of this manner, a corrective pattern on 15 minutes, then a break of a trend line, then I'll wait for what? A retracement back into the what? Fair value gap imbalance, then I'll execute a trade down. All right, so let's go. Daily time frame, what can we see? Downtrend. It is purely trending down. Even a day old today, a day old baby can basically tell you, oh, that this thing is going down. Okay, then we scale down to 15 minutes to ease the work. Now on this 15-minute time frame, all what we need is a corrective pattern upward, and you're just good to go. Okay, even though you're wrong, because it's part of the game, you will be right more than you're wrong. All right, let's go back in time to check. Okay, let's start from this level. Let's zoom it out to know where we are currently in the charts. I think we're trending up, then we start trending down. Very simple. This is a daily low that led towards this high. Now this leg, all what we wanted is, because it was an uptrend onto this level, all what we wanted was what? A break of a structure, a break of a trend line from this level, and all we needed was a retracement back to what? Fair value gap imbalance, and we execute a trade. That is all. If we look at it, it retraces back into this level. For example, if we want to plot a trend line, it's as simple as that. This is it. Where did the structure break? Sorry, this is it. Where did the structure break? Exactly this level. Where is the imbalance? If you check from this level to this level, there is no imbalance, except the first imbalance I can see here is from this zone here. That's your first entry. You execute target 1 to 3. Very simple. Very, very simple. 1 to what? 3. You bank that profit. And the second thing, because it is still an uptrend, all what you wanted was what? A break of a trend line. Was there any? Even though you want to take a counter trend, it's still possible. It's still possible. If you draw this one, you still have a zone, but it's not advisable because it is still what? An uptrend. Now if we look closely, okay, for a benefit of doubt, you say this is a break of a structure, right? Imbalance, exactly this level. Execute. You lost the trade. No, let me say you lose the trade. Fine and good, it is what it is. This is where it broke out, but after the breakout, the imbalance reside here. Fine and good, you lost the trade. Now you realize that your trend line was actually wrong. This is how your trend line should look. Oh my god, excuse me, let me get rid of this. If your trend line was properly placed, where is the next break of a trend line? Exactly this level. Where is the imbalance? Here. I have one here. You execute a trade again. That is another win. 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, whichever. Now again, because the structural low has not been taken, all what you'll be looking for is a break of a trend line to the upside. Secondly, there is a break of a trend line here. Where is the imbalance? Look at it here. execute again, targeting what? 1 2 3, and you're good to go. Because the uptrend is still effective, all what you wanted was still what? A break of a trend line. This is it. Where do you execute? Was there any imbalance here? No. Any zone you don't see imbalance, don't bother taking out the trade. Any zone that that imbalance does not exist, allow the trade to play out. Don't disturb yourself. Free it. Okay? We're still looking, and if you observe, the structural low was violated here. Exactly this level. This is the daily low. It was taken. This tells you that yes, the structure has actually changed, and all what we should switch our mindset is to switch it from what? Buying to selling. And once we switch it from buying to selling, all what we wanted on chart is a simple retracement back upward, just like the same thing we're looking for. A break of a trend line from this zone, then a retracement back, a break of a trend line from this zone, a retracement back into a fair value gap, order block, or whatsoever, execute and what? Target the low. Because the structure has changed, then we can now look forward to only selling. Please, if you're trading synthetics, be pro in terms of trend. Don't try to fight it. Okay? So from this zone, I know that all what I wanted is a break of a structure on the what? A break of a trend line towards the downside. Okay, since the price or the market structure has actually changed from being bullish to being bearish, all what you wanted is this same thing I've explained to you. Okay? It's as simple as, because synthetics run on a pro trend. Once it starts sinking, it keeps sinking for a very long time without retracement. Just a little retracement and it keeps continuing. Okay? So what you wanted on this 15-minute time frame is just a little pullback and you're good to go. Look at this. You execute short here. Target 1 2 3. Look at this. Just a little break here. Short 1 2 3. Look at it. Just a little break, because it will keep sinking. Trust me. Once it starts sinking, keep following it. Don't try to fight the trend. Don't try it until you're wrong. 1 2 3. Just keep it up. Okay? Now, if you observe well, you will know that from this pro trend, a time will come that daily time frame will retrace down, and that's when you start seeing breakout structure. The moment you start noticing this, know that it's about to retrace. Look at this one. It retraced back, short, another trend here. Okay, you know what? Just go back, test this for yourself, and you will see how simple it is to use this strategy. All what you needed, go confirm the structure on the higher time frame, specifically on the daily time frame. Then all what you wanted on the lower time frame is just a break of a trend line, retracement back into the order block, imbalance, then you can now execute. If you see well from this zone, structure have actually changed because the graph liquidity dropped down, then it changed structure. This tells you that what? The daily time frame is pulling back. And once daily time frame is pulling back, it creates another pro trend, but a short time trend on the 15-minute, and you can keep trading it. You see, within this zone there is no what? Retracement. This is the first retracement. You can execute trade here. I think this is one of the trade I took. 1 2 3, and I also execute another trade of this zone, but I don't know why I lost the trade. Fine and good, but I took this down one. Secondly, you still have to look for another trend. Look at that break of structure exactly here. Fine and good. Imbalance residing here. Long it is as good as see a break of structure on a trend line, take the trade, target 1 2 3, and you're just good to go. That even if you're wrong, you still hit 1 to 2, 1 to 3 before it will trace back at you. Okay, so go back, test this strategy. Even though you're a beginner, go back, test it, come back to this same video, drop your comments. If you enjoyed this content, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. So till I see you next time, keep your consistency on board, keep practicing until you start seeing results. Peace out.